Ever wondered how to maintain a lush, beautiful garden in a dry, arid climate? It's quite a challenge, isn't it? Selecting the right plants that can withstand such an environment is key. The solution lies in choosing drought-tolerant plants. But what are they? Drought-tolerant plants are nature's answer to dry climates. These botanical marvels are adapted to thrive in arid conditions, conserving every precious drop of water they can. They've evolved unique features, like fleshy leaves or deep roots, to store water and endure periods of drought. Some even have a waxy coating on their leaves to reduce evaporation. These plants are true survivors with an uncanny ability to persist when others might wither. Now that we know what they are, what are some examples of these resilient plants? There's a wide variety of drought-tolerant plants. We'll discuss a few popular ones. First on the list, succulents. These are unique and stylish plants that store water in their leaves, stems, and roots, making them perfect for arid environments. Their geometric shapes and vibrant colors add a modern touch to any garden. Next, we have lavender. This aromatic plant thrives in full sunlight and well-drained soil. Its lovely purple blooms not only add a pop of color but also invite beneficial pollinators. Sage, a hardy perennial, is another excellent choice. This herb's silvery leaves and delicate blue flowers are a beautiful addition, and the plant is valued for its culinary uses as well. Finally, there's yucca. This plant's dramatic silhouette and sword-like leaves create a striking garden display. These plants not only survive in dry climates, but they also add beauty and diversity to your garden. So to cultivate a garden in a dry climate, consider drought-tolerant plants. These resilient species not only survive but thrive in arid conditions, offering an array of benefits. They conserve water, reduce maintenance effort, and add beauty to your garden even in the harshest weather. From succulents to shrubs, there's a plethora of options to choose from. Remember, a lush garden is possible even in the driest of climates. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.